You guys,
What?
I'm making a video of lightning hoppers. Gives you free stick and
Where that's
everything.
at?
So look, I have Ghost
Hmm.
Monkey. Oh, there you can pick up your utility soon.
Moderator, come on, bro. What up, bro?
Oh,
I
I'm
just
not a
got here.
moderator. Well, I'm not a moderator, bro.
Somebody's name was that, and they were the moderator.
No, I am friends with
Hey.
moderator, but I'm not a moderator.
Bro, can you tell me how to get Discord into VR? Cause it's not even, bro, it's hard.
So basically, all you gotta do is you have to go to your browser. You have to open up your browser on your MetaQuest.
Yeah.
And then you want to click on where it says Discord,
Yeah,
and you want to log in from there.
I'm gonna go in here. I have to turn on big speed boost.
Here, just put in your username and name to make an account. I already
Our
have an account.
username.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Username is just use
Yo,
your Discord username
OG.
or whatever. Wait,
Yeah, I'm the
you
OG
already have an
sheriff.
account?
Yeah, I do.
So yeah, you have to. No, just put in your email and password.
Oh my god, it just worked.
It
Yo,
did?
wait, what? Wait, let me lock it in again. Wait, keep saying it's wrong.
Pink.
No,
not
like you have
no
to put in your
modding.
email and password for your actual Discord account.
He has a stick too.
Ew. This is fake stick. Okay, so Hotfix does not want to get off.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hold on.
Okay. Yeah, this is cool. And look.
by the way,
Hey. You ain't doing that to anyone.
wait, DSA? It's DSA, guys.
Wee.
See?
Wee. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
I am a human.
You guys, somebody help!
Look how overpowered the big speed boost is. Literally jumped over Gazebo. Look, it helps me wall
Oh my
run.
god, keep saying it's wrong.
Why can't I grab my stick, bro?
Okay, diver. It's not working.
Yeah, this thing's. Oh, I almost landed on a branch.
Change your password.
I'm gonna try to hit the slide juke.
Why did you just click that?
Change your password.
Oh, okay. I saw you did that. Oh, that just basically calls a
Heck no.
moderator, by the way.
I have to turn off big speed boost to hit this. No.
Wanna join me?
Oh my god. Okay. There. I absolutely didn't just not hit it. That would be cheating. Right? No. Let me wall jump. Whee! It's hard to control big speed boost. No. definitely don't have C4s. I definitely don't have kids in my basement. Hopefully that doesn't get me banned for saying that. No. No modding. Yo, bro, he's modding. Well, I'm technically modding because I have a stick. And I'm using cosmetic mod. No, I'm not, because I spent shiny rocks on this. Fake shiny rocks because Steam long arms. I'm fighting against the map. It's not one. I forgot how it goes. Yeah. Hello? Like, is
Yo.
anyone gonna speak?
Yeah, I can speak. Is my mic not working? Oh yeah, it's working.
Your mic is working. It just sounds like no one's speaking.
Yeah, we're the only people in the lobby besides DSA, and he doesn't have a mic.
Nope. I'm definitely not kidnapping children right now. Do not look up in the sky, everyone. Please.
What?
Please do not look up in the sky. It's illegal. Looking up in the sky is illegal.
How?
For me, it's illegal. You are definitely not going to see like a tannish monkey in the sky when you do that.
I think I see somebody by the name of let me Gareth VR.
Please do not look up. You will not see a brown monkey in the sky.
Or a pink monkey. Go. Ay, sexy lady.
Yeah. Well, no. Yeah, well, I think that's the end of the video. Bye.